Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. If you look carefully about 4x squared, that's about 2x, everything to the power of 2. This one we can put into number 2 multiplied by 3 and 2x. So we have 2x, we have number 2 in here. Now about number 3, if we want to create about identity, we need to have about 3 square. That means we need to minus about 3 square. So for this one, we change into 2x minus number 3 to the power of 2. This one you got about number 9. 5 minus 9, you got about negative number 4. So I will put negative number 4 in here. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about 2x minus 3 equal to 2 secant of t. Because if I put this one go in here, you will have about 4 secant of t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify by dx. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have 2 dx equal to 2 secant of t tan t dt. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So I will put this one go in here. And this one go in here. dx we change by this one. This one we have 4 secant of t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square. The square root of 4 tan t square, we have 2 tan t. We simplify secant of t tan t on numerator and denominator. So we will have only dt over number 4. Because number 2 with number 2, you got about number 4. The integration of this one, we have t over 4. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. And this one we got about t equals to r secant of this one. And later that we put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.